How to make money without a job. Is your job hunt taken long than you expected, and you want to make money? This is the video which will blow your mind to reality. So, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for the latest updated videos on how to make money. And the good news is there are ways you can make money without a job, and most of this involve flexible side gigs or freelance work you can do in your time. For those of you trapped for cash, these unique opportunities might just be the key to maintaining or even improve your lifestyle. 1. You can get paid by testing the websites. Many companies aim to deliver an excellent customer experience through their websites. These firms often hire people to test and provide feedback on different elements of their sites, which helps them to identify what needs fixing. You can check out user testing and get paid to evaluate a website. In most cases, you will need to create a 20-minute video and voiceover explaining what is good, bad or confusing about the site. Pay differs from site to site. Check in the description and you will see the link on how you can make money on websites in different ways. 2. You can become a crowdworker. You could always sign up for Crowdworker and earn money doing simpler, less complicated tasks. Crowdworkers earn income polishing off to-do lists full of jobs that don't require tenacious skills. You will be paid for things like watching videos, completing a form and many more. You can check in the description to see the link on how you can make money watching videos. 3. You can work as a transcriber. Most companies don't fully trust automated transcription services, so there is plenty of room for human beings with a competency in listening and typing. All you need to do is to list your services on marketplace like Fiverr. More typing jobs and sites are in the description. Check out more videos on this channel on how you can make money online with your smartphone.